Welcome! If you've ever found yourself scrolling through Instagram, saving tons of posts for later, but then struggling to find them all in one place, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view only your saved posts on Instagram, using the latest app update. Let's jump straight into it. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This takes you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, followers, and more. Next, look up to the top right corner of your profile page. You'll notice a three-line icon, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap on that to open up your profile menu. From here, you'll see several options, but what we're interested in is the one labeled Saved. Tap on Saved to continue. Now you're in your Saved section. This is where Instagram keeps all the posts, reels, and collections you've saved over time. But if you want to filter and view only your saved posts, without reels or other content, there's one more step. At the top of the saved page, you'll see a button called Posts Filter. Tap on this, and Instagram will instantly show you only the posts you've saved, making it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for. That's it. You've now learned how to view only your saved posts on Instagram, with just a few simple taps. No more endless scrolling or searching through mixed content. This feature is perfect for organizing your favorite photos, recipes, travel ideas, or anything else you want to revisit later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need a little Instagram organization in their lives. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.